Yes sir, what's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to sidechain in flstudiomobile, bro. Like, I just saw somebody commented and they requested a video, so I just made a video. I hope you saw that, bro. Like, I hope you love this video, you find this video very good for you. And yeah man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like all my videos and share them amongst you guys. Anyways, let's just get straight to the video. Yeah, and before I go there, let's reach 1k fam. Help me subscribe and push this channel to where it should be, and that is 100k, 1 million k subscribers, man. Like, I have big plans for this channel. But anyway, man, if you are new to the channel, shout out, man. Let's just start with the video. Honestly, bruh, when it comes to sidechain in flstudiomobile, we use autoduck. So me, I use autoduck to sidechain so that it doesn't sound like the way it should be. It sound like uh I don't know, but autoduck is what I use because I don't know how to explain but yeah man. Yes sir, unfortunately we've come to the end of the video, man. I hope you guys learned something in this tutorial, especially my mastering skills. Yeah man, this beat is fire. So if you're a rapper, I can send you this beat for free, man. I feel like sending someone a beat for free, but if you're a producer, we can work on some loops, bruh. Thank you for watching. Let's go.